Hello friends, welcome to Super Coaching Regulatory Bodies by Textbook. So if you are a serious aspirant for the RBI Grade B examination, so in this session I would tell you 10 important reports that you must do for the RBI Grade B examination, because these reports are not only important for the phase 1, rather they are also important for the phase 2 as well as both for objective and descriptive. So these 10 reports are must do reports for the RBI Grade B examination. But before telling the name of these 10 reports, I would also like to tell you what to read in the reports, because a lot of aspirants have doubt कि सर ये report में पढ़ना क्या, reports बहुत बड़ी बड़ी होती है. There is no doubt that reports are very bulky, but you are not supposed to read the entire report. Rather, there are some important dimensions that you have to cover in any particular report. So let's discuss first the dimensions that you have to cover in the report, and after that I would be discussing with you the 10 most important reports. And believe me, these reports you should not miss if you are a serious aspirant of the RBI Grade B examination. So let's discuss that, guys. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, हाउ टू कवर रिपोर्ट्स. अ लॉट ऑफ एस्पिरेंट्स हैव डाउट्स कि सर कैसे पढ़ना रिपोर्ट्स, बहुत बल्कि रिपोर्ट्स है, किस तरीके से कवर करें. तो फ्रेंड्स, आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू कि यू आर नॉट सपोज टू कवर इंटायर रिपोर्ट. ठीक है, इफ यू आर टारगेटिंग एनी एग्जामिनेशन, यू आर नॉट supposed to cover the entire report, right? What you need to cover, I would like to tell you here. First of all, the very first important thing that you have to cover in any particular report is the releasing body of that particular report and the theme of that particular report. This is very very important, which are asked in the examination. So the releasing body of any particular report and the theme of that particular report, this is important part that you have to cover in that report. Second important dimension is the edition and the rank. Which edition is this? ठीक है, तो रिपोर्ट का कौन सा एडिशन है, दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड व्हाट इज इंडियाज रैंक, व्हाट इज इंडियाज रैंक विद रिस्पेक्ट टू दिस पर्टिकुलर रिपोर्ट. ठीक है, इस रिपोर्ट में इंडिया की क्या रैंक है, दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड ऑल्सो यू हैव टू नो द टॉप 5. ठीक है, टॉप 5 रैंक यहाँ पे आपको पता होना चाहिए, और बॉटम आपको 3 रैंक्स पता होनी चाहिए, राइट? तो इंडिया की रैंक तो आपको पता ही होना चाहिए. अलॉन्ग विद दैट यू मस्ट नो द टॉप 5 रैंक, right, and the bottom 3 ranks. These are very very important, which are asked in the examination. और यहीं पर हम मिस्टेक करते हैं, हमें एक्चुअल में ये नहीं पता होता कि what dimensions to cover. हमें लगता है कि we need to cover the entire report, but if you analyze the previous year paper, you can shortlist all these dimensions and then you can get to know in any report these are the most important dimensions that you should cover. Next important dimension is the parameters. ठीक है, different parameters are there in any report, so you have to cover the parameters. If parameters are there in the report, they are very very important and they can definitely be asked in the examination. So parameters are also one important area that you have to cover. Next is the key findings. These are the things that you have to cover for both objective as well as descriptive. ठीक है, ऑब्जेक्टिव के लिए सारे के सारे इंपॉर्टेंट है, बट डिस्क्रिप्टिव के लिए these two are very very important. I'm not saying that these are not important, but these two are very very important for the descriptive part, because if you analyze the previous year paper, even the paper of 2023 phase 2 examination, there you can simply see they have asked key findings with respect to the report, right? So you have to cover thoroughly the key findings mentioned in the reports, both at a global level and for the India specific key findings. Both you have to cover, right? Because examination में question ऐसा आ सकता है कि global findings क्या हैं और India specific findings क्या हैं. So you have to understand that and you have to prepare them thoroughly. And what you have to do basically, you can simply write down, you can simply jot down the important findings. एक बार उसको पढ़ लीजिए अच्छे से. When you develop the understanding with respect to the key findings, you can just jot down the important subheadings so that you can just revise before the examination. वो आपके माइंड में रहेगी, explanation तो आप उसमें लिख ही लेंगे. ठीक है, so this is the important part that you have to cover. And last but not the least, the recommendations that have been given in the report itself. So if any recommendations are mentioned in the report, guys, again that is very very important. Again, you are not supposed to cram each and everything, right? आपको करना क्या है, basically you have to understand the things. ऐसा नहीं कि आपको word to word वहां पे copy paste करना है. If you understand the things, if you understand the recommendations किस direction में दी जा रही है, you can frame your own answer. Basically points you can frame on your own, right? But the thing is basically you have to mention the recommendations that have been suggested in the report specifically. So these are some important dimensions that you have to cover in any report, right? In any report means those reports which fall in the topic of the syllabus given ऑफ योर आरबीआई ग्रेड बी एग्जामिनेशन, राइट? तो वो टॉपिक का पार्ट होना चाहिए. ऐसी रैंडम रिपोर्ट्स तो ऐसी बहुत सारी आती हैं, ठीक है, सारी की सारी रिपोर्ट्स नहीं करनी है, लिमिटेड रिपोर्ट्स करनी है. बट व्हेन यू कवर द रिपोर्ट्स, गाइस, आपको यहाँ पर ये पैरामीटर्स तो, ये डायमेंशंस तो डेफिनेटली यू हैव टू कवर. एंड व्हेन यू कवर दीज डायमेंशंस, यू विल सी कि अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, a lot of questions you are able to solve with the help of these basically डायमेंशंस। और होता क्या है बेसिकली, हो सकता है कि एक दो डायमेंशन कुछ अलग पूछ लिए गए हों, बट विद द हेल्प ऑफ एलिमिनेशन टेक्निक, इफ यू हैव कवर्ड दीज डायमेंशंस, यू वुड बी एबल टू एलिमिनेट द रॉन्ग आंसर एंड यू कैन रीच टू द राइट आंसर। नाउ एक और बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है विद रिस्पेक्ट टू द इंपॉर्टेंट रिपोर्ट्स की व्हाट रिपोर्ट्स टू कवर। ठीक है, कौन सी रिपोर्ट्स कवर करें। देखिए, वॉट एवर रिपोर्ट्स आर रिलीज बाय इंटरनेशनल बॉडीज, फॉर एग्जाम्पल यूनाइटेड नेशंस हो गई, ठीक है, IMF, वर्ल्ड बैंक, WTO, ठीक है, सारी की सारी नहीं, द रिपोर्ट्स दैट आर बीइंग रिलीज्ड बाय दीज इंटरनेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशंस एंड दे फॉल इन द सिलेबस ऑफ योर एग्जामिनेशन, तो वो आपको कवर करनी है। सिमिलरली इंडिया की बात करें, यहाँ पे नीति आयोग, ठीक है, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फाइनेंस, गवर्नमेंट की कोई इंपॉर्टेंट रिपोर्ट आई है, तो दैट यू हैव टू डू। ठीक है, बाकी जो प्राइवेट रिपोर्ट्स आती हैं, NGO की रिपोर्ट्स आती है, और नॉट सपोज टू कवर दैट, ठीक है, आपको उसे कवर करने की जरूरत नहीं है। सो दीज आर द थिंग्स दैट यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड while covering the reports. Now I'm going to tell you the 10 most important reports that you must do for the RBI Grade B preparation. These reports are not only important for the phase 1, rather they are also important for the phase 2, and not only for the objective, rather for descriptive as well. ठीक है, so what are the 10 reports, guys? These are the 10 reports that you have to cover. Number first is World Development Report. ठीक है, then number second, Economic Survey of India. You always have to डू द इकोनॉमिक सर्वे ऑफ एवरी ईयर। ठीक है, वो आपको करना ही करना है, प्रीवियस ईयर का मत करिए, जिस ईयर आपका एग्जाम है उस ईयर का इकोनॉमिक सर्वे यू मस्ट डू, बिकॉज यू विल गेट अ लॉट ऑफ डेटा, यू विल गेट अ लॉट ऑफ फैक्ट्स, एंड ऑल्सो डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस आर ऑल्सो आस्क्ड इन द एग्जामिनेशन। ठीक है, व्हाट आर द की फाइंडिंग्स इन द इकोनॉमिक सर्वे, ठीक है, तो वहां पे ऐसे क्वेश्चन आ जाते हैं फाइनेंस में, तो वो आपको बताने पड़ेंगे। Then RBI annual report, again one of the most important report, RBI annual report, do not cover it thoroughly, जो important areas है वो कर लीजिए, that would be enough for you, क्योंकि यहाँ से objectives are also asked and descriptive में question definitely आता है। Report on trend and progress of banking in India, report on currency and finance, etc. ठीक है, तो ये भी आपको करना है। Then further IMF की वर्ल्ड इकोनॉमिक आउटलुक, दिस यू हैव टू डू। ठीक है गाइस, तो ये 5 वो रिपोर्ट्स है जो आपके सिलेबस में मेंशन है। दीज 5 आर द रिपोर्ट्स, बेसिकली 6 रिपोर्ट्स, दीज 6 रिपोर्ट्स आर दोस व्हिच आर मेंशन्ड इन द सिलेबस गाइस। और जो सिलेबस में रिपोर्ट है, दैट यू मस्ट डू। इफ यू सी द प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर, वहां पे यू कैन फाइंड ऑल दीज रिपोर्ट्स इन द डिस्क्रिप्टिव एज वेल एज ऑब्जेक्टिव पार्ट, राइट। देन फर्दर दीज आर द 5-6 रिपोर्ट्स दैट आर मेंशन्ड हियर। देन रेस्ट ऑफ द 5 रिपोर्ट्स आर फाइनेंशियल स्टेबिलिटी रिपोर्ट, ये एक इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है जैसा आपको करना है। रिपोर्ट ऑन करेंसी एंड फाइनेंस, दैट आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू हियर एज अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस। Then world migration report, because in the ESI you have a topic of urbanization and migration, right? So what they do basically, they combine the knowledge, they make a question from static as well as the current part, usko mix karke they basically ask the question. So if you understand this particular report, world migration report, so definitely aapko उस topic में बहुत help करेगा। and जो social issues migration वाला topic है, that is very very important for the descriptive part, and if you have done this report also, so you can also attempt the objective part। Human development report, again one of the very very important report, and the state of world population report. So these all are the 10 reports guys that you must do, करना ही करना है आपको if you are a serious aspirant। ठीक है, एस्पिरेंट्स पूछते हैं सर कौन सी रिपोर्ट्स करनी है, तो आपको एटलीस्ट ये 10 रिपोर्ट्स तो करनी है। बाकी रिपोर्ट्स अगर आप ना भी करें कोई बात नहीं, बट ये 10 रिपोर्ट्स आपको करनी गाइस, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, फेज 1 के लिए भी, फेज 2 के लिए भी, ऑब्जेक्टिव के लिए भी, डिस्क्रिप्टिव के लिए भी, फॉर एवरी stage these reports are very very important, right? So this is all with respect to the important report session. And also guys, those who are preparing for RBI Grade B 2025 examination, or those who are planning to prepare for the RBI Grade B 2025 examination, friends, we have started this foundation course. You might have the idea with respect to this, that we have started this foundation course, and this is a comprehensive course for the RBI Grade B 2025 examination. Here we are providing you extensive live classes for all the components of phase 1, be it quant, reasoning, English, phase 1 and phase 2 both, be it quant, reasoning, English, current affairs, or ESI, finance management, descriptive English. So for all the components of RBI Grade B examination, we are providing you the extensive live classes here. And the basic intention behind the live classes is not to just complete the syllabus, right? If you see the schedule, you can see a lot of a very big number of classes we are providing as a part of this. Reason being, we are not only focusing on syllabus completion, that is the primary target, there is no doubt about it, but we are also focusing on the strong foundation, right, and also knowledge enrichment part, because the time that you are investing as a part of this course, right, जो भी आप 7-8 महीने 9 महीने अपनी प्रेपरेशन में अभी आप लगाने वाले हैं, so do not only keep in mind कि मुझे एग्जाम क्लियर करना है, that is the main target, I know, but along with that you have to also focus on foundation building, conceptual clarity, knowledge enrichment, because when you enter into Reserve Bank of India एज अ आरबीआई ग्रेड बी ऑफिसर, वहां पे आपको इकोनॉमिक्स की स्टैटिक कंसेप्ट के, फाइनेंस के स्टैटिक कंसेप्ट की सबसे ज्यादा जरूरत पड़ने वाली. सो इफ यू हैव developed the understanding, then that would be very beneficial of you when you very beneficial for you when you would work as a RBI grade B officer. ठीक है. So this you have to keep in mind. So live classes we are providing you, and यहाँ पे live classes we are starting from very scratch, considering that you do not have any idea with respect to economics, with respect to finance. कोई भी आइडिया नहीं है, हमारा ऐसा माइंडसेट है. सो बीइंग अ टीचर वी आर कंसीडरिंग दिस फैक्ट एंड वी आर स्टार्टिंग द थिंग्स फ्रॉम वेरी स्क्रैच, फ्रॉम जीरो लेवल, सो दैट अगर आप में से कभी बहुत सारे लोगों ने इकोनॉमिक्स नहीं भी पढ़ी है, फाइनेंस नहीं भी पढ़ी है, तो उन्हें ऐसा ना लगे. सो देयर इज नो प्रायर नॉलेज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर कोर्स. Second very important feature is one on one mentorship guys that we are providing. ठीक है. So whenever you feel like कि आपको जरूरत है mentorship की, whenever you feel lost, whenever you have any doubt guys, you can just click a button and you can book a slot with any faculty whom you want to connect. So these are two main important features. Along with that, a lot of deliverables, that notes, MCQs, descriptive writing component, interview guidance program, etc. So we are providing multiple things. The link of the course is given in the description guys. If you want to enroll, if you want to know about the course, you can just click on the link given in the description and you can check all the details that we are providing as a part of this particular course. And guys, if you're a serious aspirant, then this is the perfect time, right? Do not wait for December or January to start the preparation. This is the perfect time. Start the preparation at this point of time, and believe me, if you're starting now, then in that case you would have enough time to revise the things, you would have enough time to complete the syllabus, you would have enough time to focus on descriptive writing, you would have enough time to cover the current affairs as well as revise the current affairs. So there are n number of advantages if you're starting the preparation from this moment only, right? And guys, here we are focusing on keeping the cost as minimal as we can. So this is our target, because we want those aspirants who want to become officer, unke raste mein cost should not be the barrier. This is our mindset. So we are already providing a lot of discount guys, and also in order to have further discount, you can use the coupon code. We are providing you the coupon codes, so you can use the coupon code. This is my name Prakash. So when you apply the coupon code while subscribing the course, you can see a drastic reduction on the final prices, and that will make the course more affordable for you, right? So apply this coupon code guys, and also do join this Telegram channel. This is my particular Telegram group, जहां पे आप join करके whatever doubt you have, you can simply ask and I'll personally be resolving your query. And also on a regular basis, I share some update related to important session, update related to any examination information, so that you can get aware of all these facts. ठीक है. So this is all with respect to the session guys. I hope you have learned what are the important reports that you have to do, and what are the important dimensions in any particular report that you have to do. And also guys, in the description we are providing you the link of Google form. So if you have any query regarding the RBI grade B examination, just fill the Google form. Our team will get back to you to resolve your query. So we'll come out with another informative video guys. Till then, goodbye and happy learning friends.